What's up guys, welcome to my channel. So this channel is new, so support to grow and subscribe this channel for daily updates. Today I am going to show you how can you edit your photo like Instagram famous photographer Sam Folder. So we turn this photo into this photo. This photo looks quite professional. So let's get start the video. First of all, we will adjust the cropping. That's good. Now we'll go to lights. We will increase the exposure to +20. Now we will increase the contrast to +15. Now we will decrease the highlights to -16. Now we will increase the shadows to +20. Now we will decrease the whites to -30. Here we go. Now we will decrease the blacks also to -10 or 11. So guys, this is the setting. Now we will go to this one and we will go to artistic. We will choose number 3. Now we will decrease that to -17. 70. Yeah, let's go. Now we'll done in here. Now we'll go to this one and we will increase the temperature +6. There you go. Now we'll increase the tint to +3. There you go. And now vibrance to +30 and saturation to -10. Now we go to mixer tool. Now we'll increase the hue of this red one mixer tool. This you will see. We'll increase the hue +13 and the saturation -13 and increase the luminance +20. Now we go to the orange one. We will decrease saturation to -30 and increase the luminance +20. Now we'll go to the yellow one and we will decrease the hue to -30 and the saturation -20 and decrease the luminance to -10. And we will go to green one and we will decrease it to -30 and also decrease the saturation to -30. And we will go to blue one. We will decrease our, there can you look, when we decrease our this color, our shirt's color also gone match, it match. So we will decrease it on 40 and increase the luminance +10. We have done the photo. There you see. Now we will go to lights again and we will go to groove and we will go to this one. We will decrease that for some years. Just looks more good and dark. You can see. Now we'll go to this one and we'll increase the clarity plus 10 and vignette minus 10 and the middle point minus 40 and the feather plus 780. Here you can see, and we'll go to sharpness to plus 50 and noise emission to plus 30. There you can see our photo was before that and after edit our photo is like that. So we will go to three dots and save to device, and we will click on hide ability quality. Yeah, our photo is done. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe the channel and comment for next video.